How to fix photos uploading in low quality in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix your Instagram photos uploading in low quality. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To fix your uploading in low quality, you first need to your Instagram app is up to date to the latest version. Head over to your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update available right here, update the app. After you've done that, go to your Instagram, locate the app and then open it up. And after you here, head over to your bottom right corner, tap on the three lines on the top right, and after you here, what you'll need to do is scroll down, and under your app and media section you'll find data uses and media quality. Head over there, and there you'll see media upload quality. Simply toggle this button that says upload at highest quality. This will upload all of your photos and videos at the highest quality possible, even if it takes a bit longer. So enable this, and after that make sure that the photo that you're trying to upload is also of really good quality, such as 4K. You can enhance the photo if you want, and after doing all that your problem will get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.